How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. If any day you are a YouTube user and you mistakenly enable the restricted mode on YouTube, but you would like to just remove it on your very Android device or your iOS device on your mobile, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the YouTube application on your mobile device. You have to search the YouTube application by going to the search icon on your mobile device or manually scrolling left or right. After you find the very YouTube application, you have to tap on YouTube, and after you tap on YouTube, you can see that YouTube will be launched on your very mobile device. After YouTube is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to the profile section on the down portion. After you go to the profile section in the down portion, you have to go to the option of the settings on the top and then go to the option of the general. Now, after you go to the option of the general, you have to just scroll down and you can see the very option of the restricted mode. Now, if any day it's enabled like this, which shows the blue icon here in the restricted mode, you can just turn it off like this, and this way the restricted mode will be turned off on your very mobile device, and you can host restricted mode on your mobile device on the very YouTube application. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.